Look what happens when you do this every day. The banana is perfect for after playing sports, as it helps us recover electrolytes and prevents cramps thanks to its potassium content. The banana is one of the most consumed fruits in the world. Its sweet flavor, color and texture makes it a very loved and easy to eat food for small children and adults. We can eat banana in shakes, yogurt, cakes, breads, pancakes or as an accompaniment in soups. You may know that bananas are loaded with vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber, but do you really know the benefits of this delicious fruit? See what happens when you eat 2 bananas daily. You will notice these benefits in a month. 1. Blood pressure. The high amounts of potassium in the banana, more than 13% of the recommended daily dose, lower blood pressure and the possibility of atherosclerosis, the most common form of arteriosclerosis, myocardial infarction and stroke. 2. Absorption of calcium. The banana contains high levels of fructooligosaccharides, also called oligofructoses or oligofructanos or abbreviated FOs, which promote the absorption of calcium. FOs nourish healthy bacteria in the colon and increase the body's ability to absorb nutrients. 3. Nervous function. This fruit also helps with good nervous and muscular function. In addition, it prevents muscle cramps after each exercise. 4. Vitamin B6. Did you know that only one banana contains 34% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin B6? This vitamin is important for general health. Vitamin B6 is an anti-inflammatory agent, supports the functions of the nervous system, helps reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity and much more. 5. Weight loss. The fiber of bananas helps you maintain a good digestion and at the same time maintain blood sugar, which prevents overeating. 6. Prevents cancer. Bananas contain the fibers called catechins and delphinidin. They are natural antioxidants. Studies have shown that diets rich in bananas and other fruits can reduce the risk of breast cancer. They also help to greatly reduce the risk of developing kidney cancer. 7. Digestion and natural laxative. Bananas also help reduce the symptoms of diarrhea and constipation, thanks to pectin, a soluble fiber also called hydrocolloid, that helps stabilize the digestive system, normalize intestinal transit and relieve constipation. This fruit also has an antacid effect and stimulates the production of mucus in the stomach, which helps protect against stomach acids. Bananas also help kill the bacteria that cause stomach ulcers.